Hello guys, what's up? I haven't uploaded for a long time because I was busy for the school works, and today I finally get the time to make another math tutorial. So here's it. Today I just want to make a quick tutorial on how to start using Google Meet. Oh, I said something wrong. It's not a Mac tutorial, it's just like a Google tutorial, Chrome tutorial. So let's go. So you don't need to download anything onto your computer to use a Google Meet. In Google Meet, you just open any browser. I suggest Google Chrome, and go to meet.google.com, like that, and it will enter this homepage. Or if you never used a Google Meet before, it will go to a Google Meet introduction page. I'll show you. Like that, similar to that page. And if you have Meet before, it will bring you to this starting page, which the background changes, and you get these things. If you get scheduled in your Google Calendar, it will show up here. You can create or use a meeting code as well. So now I would like to enter Google Meet to show you what's inside. Okay, once you entered a Google Meet link, it will bring you to this page. The link is always meet.google.com and three parts of the three-letter element. Like here it is qmz.cus.oho. So let's look at this page. So at the left side you will see this see your camera, but don't worry, you didn't enter the Meet yet. You can customize. You can close your camera. You can close your microphone, mute your microphone before you enter the Meet. Or you can do this background blur. So here there's a green audio wave which shows you how loud are you speaking. And at the right side you can join, present. It will always ask you ready to join, or if there's a name it will pop up the name. And here it will show you how many people are there, who is there, and you can cast this meeting if you have a TV. You can join with a phone for audio, and here you just click join now. You will see this dong, this sound, and it enters the Meet. So when there are many people, you are not going to be the only people who is on the screen. It's going to be a Meet, like Zoom, if you're familiar. On Zoom, if you turn on the grid view, you have every single person on it. I also have Zoom here as well. So here, this button means that you're the host of this meeting. You're the host. Like you can set these settings, let their share screen, send chat messages, quick access, all host settings, which you can see it here. And you can also see at the left bottom, you will see meeting details, which there's a join info and the attachments. And in the middle, here are your three options: whether leave the call, turn off the camera, turn on the camera, or the microphone. Now at the right side of the screen, right bottom side, I just close my camera now. So at the right bottom side of the screen, you will see turn on captions, which it will make your camera a little bit smaller so you can see the captions. Very friendly to the people who their eyes are not very clear, their ears are not clear. So Here you have the present function, which you can present your screen to other people. You have three options: your entire screen, which it just gives you the whole screen to present, or a Chrome tab or a window. If you choose a Chrome tab, it's going to be the highest resolution and the clearest audio. So here you have the three dots at the very right bottom, which you can cast this meeting or whiteboard, change layout. This one I would like to introduce a bit. So there are a few layouts that you choose, whether auto, spotlight, sidebar, or tiled. It's a grid view tiled, but a thing I'm not satisfied is that it goes to the limit of 49, because I went to a tournament that consists of 200 person and it only let me view like 49 person, which was pretty weird, but it's okay because I'm using a 21.5-inch display, so it's pretty okay. If it's smaller, it will be not clear. So since I'm the only one in here, I want to join twice to show you what it's like. So wait, give me a moment. Enter it. Okay, now you see it. So when there are more people here, it's going to be smaller here, and if there are 40 people here, it's going to be even smaller. So I don't have any more people, so you will not be able to see it, but I'm going to add in a picture to show you. So now let's look at here, the right top side. You can see who is in the meet. You can add people. You can have the chat as well. So here you can look at your time. You can pin yourself, and you can remove tile. So pin means to spotlight someone. When you want to look at someone specifically, it's a great way to do it. Alright, thank you so much. Oh wait, here. So here you have the background blur, which blurs the background. And if you're using the even newer version of Google Meet, you have even changed the background, which you can change your background without the green screen, which is amazing. Thank you so much for watching, and bye. See you next time.